Alright, so today I will be trying to make virtual reality in Turbowarp. Basically, how this will be working is pretty simple. First will be the gamepad extension. The gamepad extension basically tells the computer slash phone. Well, no, it's the phone. It tells the phone if it's connected, what buttons are being pressed, how are the analog controllers left or right doing, and if it's even if it even is connected or not. The second one that I'll be showing will be the the Sensing Plus extension. Nothing really seems good about this until you check the bottom. It tells it has gyro sensors, which is very important for rotation because it will be showing the up and down motions, like up and down from your phone. Um, that's the Y. The X is sideways. And Z is the 360 motion that you usually see in Gorilla Tag or something like that. Anyway, the last extension will be the full screen extension, which is not really that important, I guess, since you can just put your screen on full screen, but rather than that, yeah, that extension is also very important. So this is what the game looks like from my perspective. Like, okay, so basically the screen, your eyes naturally perceive the world as one full screen, and since your eyes are not really, like, it does some things so that everything around you could be, like, better. So your eyes decided to make the double screen into one screen. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Ooh, my mother got monetized on YouTube. Good for her. Alright. Finally got the freaking game up. After so long, chat. Fudge. Sumimasen. Finally got the game up. So just turn it on to here. Here we go. Bro. If this actually crashes, I'm about to rage quit. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh, heck nah. Oh, heck nah. Oh, nah. Nah. No, I ain't getting through this. Nah, Chad, I ain't getting through this. Nah, not even once. The game was pretty horrifying, to say the least. Oh yeah, here's the outro, by the way.
You know, I actually used to play Crash 2 back then. That was a great song. How the song even so ended Insane Trilogy, I loved it.
I loved it. What's your favorite Crash Bandicoot?
Honestly, my favorite is probably rather 2.